vibes, all positive vibes. Fuck all that extra. Fuck all that extra. Like, I ain't.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Sekaiya, and I want to welcome you to my channel. First and foremost, before we get started, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Second, I want to say thanks for tuning into my very first YouTube channel. Today, I have a very exciting look that I want to show you guys step by step. But first, I would like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. We're going to be doing all types of things on this channel pertaining to the beauty industry that you don't want to miss. So go ahead and give that bell a ring a ding ding. And we're going to go get. Also, since we're subscribing, liking, and commenting right now, let's not forget to go follow these social media pages. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So guys, I'm going to leave these right here. They'll also be at the end of the video, so you are free to go and follow those sites as well. So you make sure that you don't miss out on any new videos. I will be posting videos every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, I'm going to try to have a video for you guys. So make sure you guys are staying connected so you know what's going on and you don't miss out on your favorite look. So today we're going to do a super creative makeup look. I did get this inspiration off Pinterest, so I'm super excited. I'm going to put the picture right here so you guys can kind of see like what I'm going for. But I want to show you guys what it's like to kind of do more of a creative makeup, full face, color, and everything versus doing something more on the simpler side, like just eyes and regular base makeup. All right, guys. So the first step I'm going to do for this look is I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm going to take my James Charles palette, and we're going to use this blue down here at the bottom, right here, for the brows. I'm also going to go in, before I take that blue, I'm going to go in with this Mayron Clown White and kind of like white out my brows, just so I can make sure that the blue is really popping. Plus, we're going to end up using this on our whole face anyway to make the blending a lot more better in the color. I'm just going to take this kind of angled brush, and I'm going to get some of this Clown White and just kind of go in a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with this, y'all. For real, like, you'll be looking like snow up in here. So you want to just take a little bit of that and just kind of go in and shape your brow and just kind of fill in. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because once you go in again with the white, you're going to shape and everything. But first, we're just trying to get our little brows on there, okay? All right, so now we got our little paled out brows. We're going to go ahead and go in with that blue, y'all, and get this popping. They're a little thick, but it's okay. We can slim it up when we get ready to do our thing. Okay, now that we have our brows on, we're going to go ahead and take that same Clown White and clean up and shape up our brows how we want them. So I'm going to go ahead and take this flathead brush here, and this is the brush I'm going to use to kind of clean out my brows. I feel like this brush makes it easier because it's kind of flat. You can pull it down, you can blend it out. So this just helps a lot better than using the angle brush. A basic beauty blender, and just kind of blend out around our brows. Just kind of beat in the white. It doesn't really matter because we're about to take the whole white and put it all over our face. So, but we're going to go ahead and blend this out to kind of see what's going on up here. Now we're going to take our foundation brush, and we're just literally going to blend the white into our skin like it's our foundation. All right, now that we got our white on nice and pretty much even all around, we're going to take our Splash Candy palette by You Can Be. We're going to get this very light blue shade here, and we're going to use this as our powder and go ahead and make this white blue. Okay? Alright, now that we got our blue base, looking like a Smurf, we're going to go ahead and go back to the James Charles palette, go back down to that blue shade, and we're going to go ahead and contour, add some shading up in there. I'm just going to take a nice little fluffy brush like this and go ahead and get to work. So now that we've added a little bit more color, I'm just going in with my foundation brush and just blending everything out together. I don't want anything super dark because we still have to put two other colors on my base. Now that we've done that, we're just going to take that same blue and kind of go into the crease here of our eye and add in some shading there. Take that foundation brush and just pat over those areas just a little bit. Alright, so now what we're going to do next is go back in with our clown white. I'm going to take a small brush like this and go ahead and start drawing my lightning bolts and then filling it in with the white so we can go ahead and put that nice neon yellow on top of it. Okay, so we got our lightning bolts in. Now, y'all, I got this palette off Amazon. It has like 3 different palettes in it. But we're going to take this like neon yellow here and we're going to go in and pat it on the white. I'm going to either use an angle brush for the thicker areas and then still use my smaller brush for the very thinner lines. Y'all, this is so much patting. But I'm really liking this yellow light. It's really yellow. Okay, so now that we got our yellow in, we're gonna go ahead and go in with this hot pink and kind of go around the bolts so we can like make that yellow really pop. Alright, so now guys, I'm gonna take my UV palette, my hydro liners, and my very thin lines that has more pink. I'm going to take this yellow and just do like a little thin line throughout them just so it can make the makeup glow, because this is lighting, right? We need to be popping. So we're going to go ahead and take that yellow and add that into these thinner lines and get the yellow popping a little bit more. Alright, now that we got our lines all filled in nice and bright, we're going to take this Studio Highlighter palette and we're going to use this lightest one here, and we're just going to go and put some highlight in under the brows, the corner, a little bit in on the eyelid, and then we're going to go and follow that up with our black eyeliner. Alright, now that we got our highlight on, we're going to go ahead and take this Morphe 2 liner and go ahead and line our waterline. Now we're going to go back in with that same highlight, put a little bit on the cheeks, blush a little over the nose, and a little bit over our Cupid's bow. Alright guys, so it's driving me insane not seeing the look with my lips. So we're going to go ahead and take a makeup wipe off the makeup that's on my lips and go ahead and put more of like a natural lip. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take this basic brown lip liner and just line my lips, and then I'm going to go in with this NYX Soft Matte. I'm not sure what this color is, but it says Athens. But y'all, this stuff is a bomb.com. NYX Soft Matte Lips is perfect. Alright guys, now we're going to follow up with our liquid liner, the e.l.f. We're going to go ahead and do that little wing on the top of our eyelid. Alright guys, so now we're going to take this Essence Lash Princess mascara and go over our top lashes and our bottom lashes. For the last piece, we're going to go ahead and add our lashes. I do have my own lash line, Sekaiya Mink Lashes. I do have that link down below. You will be able to purchase there soon. So we're going to go with the K10 style today. And I'm also going to be applying with the Kiss Strip Lash adhesive. It is aloe and it is clear. It goes on blue, but it dries clear. So that's how you kind of know when it's ready. So we're going to go ahead and pop these babies on and give you guys this final look.
Alright guys, and here is our final look. I am absolutely in love with everything that is going on here. The colors look blended very well. I am so pleased. We can't forget the fact that our hydro liner is glowing, making it look super cool. So I'm just very happy with this look. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to follow me on social media, like, comment, and subscribe this video. Bye!